Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to our English read. Dear friends, in today's video, we are going to revise unit number 7, 8, 9, and 10 for FA3 exam. Okay. So, dear friends, the coming FA3 exam, in this FA3 exam, we will have in our English syllabus unit number 7, unit number 8, unit number 9 and unit number 10. तो ये चार लेसन्स आपको आने वाले हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स रिवाइज लिटिल बिट and let's have a snapshot of all these units. Okay, so unit number 7, Dr. Dolittle. In this unit we have read that how Dr. Dolittle used to love animals. Okay, so understanding what we read, we have seen how do we know the Dr. Dolittle was a proper doctor. So because he had studied a lot and done his MD, so this is the correct answer. Then take the correct answer में हमें second question है, how do we know that lots of people like the doctor? So the option B is correct. The people called him clever and the children and animals all ran after him. Then let's come to the next. Who helped Dr. Dolittle to look after his house and garden? So his sister looked after the house and he looked after the garden. Okay, number 4. How do we know that Dr. Dolittle was very fond of animals? So we got the answer A. He had many different kinds of animals, birds, and even goldfish in his house and garden. Okay. Then who was the only person who kept coming to the doctor for medicine once a year? Okay, so that was the cat's meat man. Okay, and who still loved Dr. Dolittle even when he became very poor? So the children and the animals, okay, loved him very much. So in this way, take the correct answer we have done from the Dr. Dolittle. Then match the following to make sentences. Here the reasons are given there and this activity is done into our, okay, book. Then we have seen spelling and vocabulary, some words starting with CR word. Okay, so CR word: crab, creep, crib, crow, crumb, then create, crown, cricket. So such much amount of words we have to create. Okay, then dear students, we have seen that we have made some column of wild birds, farm animals, musical instruments, and it is farm birds. Okay, farm animals and farm birds are different. Okay, so then let's see, some names are given and we have to find out whether they are wild birds, farm animals, or those are the names of musical instruments. So we have some eagle, crane, crow, owl, parrot, pigeon and turkey. So इनमें से हमको वो वाइल्ड बर्ड्स है या कौन से हैं वो फाइंड आउट करना था. ओके, देन फार्म एनिमल, सॉरी, वी हैव सीन बफेलो, काउ, okay, goat, horse and sheep. Musical instruments: bongos, drums, guitar, piano, sitar and xylophone. Mobile phone is the odd one out. Then in farm animals we have seen farm birds: chicken, hen, duck, duckling, geese and rooster. Okay, and then we move to learning grammar, the use of future tense. Okay, here we have seen that the use of I will and I shall. Okay, she will, okay, she will, he will, and then also after that we have seen about the negative, use of negative in future tense. Okay, so some examples are there. Okay, I will buy Mohit a birthday gift tomorrow. I will buy him a school bag. So this is the positive sentence. If I want to say some negative, so how it will be? I will get him some Mars bar. He loves them. I won't be able. So हमें अगर will होगा तो won't होगा negative में and shall होगा तो shan't होगा. But in these examples, we haven't examples of shan't. Okay. So this we have done. So we have to learn from page number 55 properly. Okay, then we have done this activity from page number 56, that is fill in the blanks with I will or I shall plus verb. Okay, or I will plus verb or shall I means क्वेश्चन बनाना था या तो फिर सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाना था. Some verbs are given in the box. Some examples are, I will carry that shopping basket for you. Shall I get you a glass of water? I will fetch your spectacles for you. Are you looking for the umbrella? I will get it for you. So in this way we have to use future tense, shall and will. Okay, dear friends. Now then move to the next lesson, that is unit number 8, going around the earth in a day. This is a very interesting story about the Akbar and the Birbal. Okay, so here we have talked about how the astronomer used to ask questions and then what was the reply of Birbal. So understanding what we read, take the right answer from going round the earth in a day. Okay, first question is, why was Akbar called his people's emperor? So the correct answer is, his people loved and trusted him. Number second, why did the people learn a lot when they come to Akbar's court? So the correct answer is, they met clever people who answered difficult questions. All right. Then, number three, what important fact did the famous astrologer tell the people in the court? So, he told them that the earth is round. Okay, then come to the next question. Why did the astrologer say it would take 100 years to go round the earth following a straight path? So, because a person would have to cross oceans, climb mountains, and go through forest. Okay, and then we have seen some question answers. Why was Akbar not worried? So his intelligent ministers would tell him how long such a trip would take, and that's why he was not worried. Why did Birbal say it would take 1 day to go round the earth? So the correct answer, he said it would be possible to do the trip in a day if a person traveled at the speed of the sun, because only sun travels from this corner to that corner in a day. So then we have seen from this lesson spelling and vocabulary. So the words starting with tr. Okay. So we have seen some words: travel, treat, trip, troop, truck, tree, train, trust, trim. Okay. And dear students, then afterwards we have seen question number B. Find words in the story that are the antonyms. Now what is the antonyms? Opposite, vilom shabda. Okay. Opposite words given of the words given below. Okay, so opposite of foolish is wise, empty, full, unable, able, easy, difficult. Opposite of noisy, quiet, shant, crooked. Okay, opposite of crooked, straight. Okay, opposite of same, different. Opposite of unintelligent, intelligent. Short, long. Possible, impossible. Okay, so in this way we have completed our opposite words. Then we have seen, dear friends, learning grammar. Okay, in learning grammar on page number 62 we have seen the adverbs. Okay, adverbs tells us how, when or where actions takes place. So here we have seen adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, okay, and adverbs of place. So adverbs of manner tells us about the way in which action takes place. जिस प्रकार से, जिस तरीके से एक्शन होती है वो बताता है हमें एक्शन ऑफ adverb of manner. They answer the questions how. Adverbs of answer the questions how. He shouted loudly. Sam smiled happily. Rita danced beautifully. Okay. Then we have seen adverbs of time tells us when actions takes place. कोई एक्शन कब हुई, समय बताता है. I will meet you tomorrow. Ravi is coming today. We saw him here yesterday. Okay, then we have talked about the adverbs of place, which tells us about the place of an action. The boys play football there. Please come here. Let's go outside. So all the words are in dark are adverbs. Okay. Then we have seen the exercise from adverb. Underline the adverbs in these sentences. Write M for adverbs of manner. Okay. Then we have to write T for adverbs of time and P for adverbs of place. The children are inside. So children are inside. यहाँ पर inside ये जगह को वो शो कर रहा है. So it's a adverb of place. Bina got up early. अर्ली मतलब जल्दी, जल्दी मतलब टाइम शो कर रहा है। ओके, सो बिना गॉट ऑफ अर्ली, इसमें अर्ली ये एडवर्ब है एंड इट शोज द टाइम। मनु रैन एज फास्ट एज ही कुड। फास्ट किस तरीके से दौड़ा, वो फास्ट दौड़ा, सो इट शोज द एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर। द सन शोन ब्राइटली। ओके, किस तरीके से, व्हाट इज द मैनर ऑफ शाइनिंग, सो ब्राइटली। ओके, सो इट इज अगेन एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर। देन दे आर प्लेइंग क्वाइटली, शांति से खेल रही। द मैनर, ही सैट डाउन, कहाँ पर बैठा। ओके, सो इट शोज द प्लेस, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस। द पैरट स्क्वैक नॉइजीली, अगेन द एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर। देयर वर आंट्स एवरीवेयर, कहाँ पर थे, मीन्स प्लेस, एवरीवेयर। ओके, so it is adverb of place again. Then we have seen that some more use of adverbs, okay, phrases, adverb phrases. We can use time phrases to tell us when actions takes place. Fill in the blanks with these time words and phrases. Okay, dear friends, so here I will be meeting you at 6:30. Okay, we will go to Rima's house in the evening. Then the rooster crows in the morning and in the evening. Here in the evening is not mentioned, but you have to write in the morning and in the evening. Okay, then we will be late if you don't hurry up. Okay, we will be late if you don't hurry up. Then this year we are in class 4. Next year we shall be in class 5. I go to bed at 9 every night. I get up early every morning. Okay, so in this way we have used time phrases in the exercise. Then we can use place phrases by saying where things takes place. Okay, तो place phrase कैसे यूज करते हैं वो भी हमने देखा है, जैसे कि where is the Qutub Minar, so we have to give answer like this, the Qutub Minar is in Delhi. Okay, then where is the picture, so the picture is on the wall, इस प्रकार से आएगा on the wall. Okay, this is the place phrase. Where is Raman sitting, so Raman is sitting on the bench. Okay, where are the children sitting, on the children are sitting on the seesaw. Okay, where is the fish swimming, the fish is swimming in the fish pond. Okay, where is the comb lying, the comb is lying on the, yes, dressing table. Okay, so you can write answers in this way, you have done this. Then where is the crow's nest, okay, on the tree, where is the label, on the box. Then where are the flowers, so the flowers are in the vase. Where is the Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. So these words are showing the time phrases. Okay, dear students, then we have seen these activities, so I request you to do all these learning, read properly, complete. If you haven't completed your question answers, get it completed and complete your book and learn well for AP3 exam. About next two lessons, that is the Sindbad and the Valley of Snakes and everyday things, we will talk about it in the next period. Okay, so dear students, learn well, do well and study well. Okay, and we will have a test in the next period. Okay, so I will send you a message about that, so stay tuned with us, do study. Thank you and have a good day.